Okay, a little bit of basic maintenance on the Bernina 1008. So, let's take the presser foot off. Now before I remove the needle plate, I'm going to drop the feed. Lift the needle plate up at the front and remove it to the rear. Let's take that bobbin case out. Now to open the race, there's a clip at the side. You press it to the left and the retaining ring drops down, which allows us to remove the shuttle. Then take a clean piece of kitchen roll and clean round inside the retaining ring. Now this one's already been done, so it's quite nice and clean. Usually it's full of fluff and lint. I like to just clean the face, the retaining ring as well. Then I'm going to take the old needle out. I'm actually going to use that to scrape round right in the back corner. Sometimes you get some compacted lint and sometimes the tip of a broken needle. Then up here, the feed dog itself, I'd brush all the fluff out of that, get it nice and clean. And when I'm happy that that's all nice and clean, we'll go ahead and put it back together. Now what I like to do is just turn the machine over until this driver is just at the bottom of the race. We can just pop the shuttle back in, click the retaining ring up so it firmly clicks into place. Replace the needle plate from the back, slide it forward, and I can lift the feed dog back up. Now when I move the control, it doesn't come back up. You have to turn the machine over at least one full revolution for it to come back up. Now let's refit the bobbin case. Pop the presser foot back on, and most important as well, throw that old needle away. Let's put a nice new needle back in the machine. Flat side to the back, and make sure you push it right up to the stop. And finally, just going to turn the machine over until the shuttle's at the top in that position where I put it back in. So you can see a little gap at the bottom. I'm just going to put a drop of oil into that gap, not too much. And just turn it over a couple of times. And that's all ready to go.
There's a cup of tea after all that hard work.
Just what I need.
Yeah.
Cheers, Shade.